In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cTrader desktop for prop firm trading. By the end, you'll be comfortable downloading the platform, connecting your prop firm account, placing trades, and reviewing your performance, all inside cTrader desktop. First, download cTrader desktop from your prop firm's dashboard or directly from cTrader.com. Choose the desktop application for your operating system and let it finish downloading before you install. Once installed, open the app, click Login with cTrader ID, and enter your email to sign in. Follow the prompts so the platform can sync your accounts and settings. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile. Here, select the specific prop firm trading account you want to connect. Take a moment to verify you've chosen the correct account, especially if you have multiple logins or evaluations. On the left-hand panel, click Trade to open the main trading workspace. If you have more than one prop firm account, you can use Switch Account to move between them without closing the platform. This keeps your charts and layouts handy while changing the account you're operating. To load a chart, right-click any symbol from your watch list and choose New Chart. You can open several charts and arrange them as you like. At the top of the chart, use the time frame buttons, such as 1FAM or 1H, to shift your view from quick intraday snapshots to broader market context. When you're ready to analyze, click Indicators at the top of the chart to add tools like RSI or Moving Average. Keep your setup simple and relevant to your plan. A clean chart helps you make quicker, more confident decisions. To place a trade, click New Order, then select Buy or Sell. This submits the order based on your current chart symbol and order preferences. Make sure you're comfortable with market conditions and spreads before confirming. After your trade is live, adjust risk and targets by dragging the SL and TP lines on the chart. This is a fast way to set your stop loss and take profit, and to visualize your risk-reward ratio as the platform updates values in real time. To monitor your open trades, click Positions at the bottom. You can see unrealized profit and loss, instrument details, and close a trade by clicking the X when you're ready to exit. If your prop firm allows automation, click Automate, CBOT, at the top to explore running CBOTs for testing. Always confirm the firm's rules first to avoid violations. Finally, click History to review your results. Look over wins and losses, drawdowns, and consistency to evaluate your prop firm performance and refine your approach.